Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's fast-paced world, how we consume food can significantly impact our health and well-being. Many of us are unaware of the common mistakes we make while enjoying our favorite foods, leading to missed health benefits and even adverse effects. Understanding proper food consumption is crucial, as it enhances our nutritional intake and promotes a healthier lifestyle. Take nuts, for example. Overindulging can lead to excessive calorie intake, even though they are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Garlic is another powerhouse food known for its numerous health benefits, including boosting the immune system and reducing blood pressure. However, consuming it in excess can cause digestive issues. Bananas are a great source of potassium and energy, but eating them in large quantities can spike blood sugar levels. Olive oil, often hailed as a heart-healthy fat, can lose its benefits if heated too high. Broccoli is a nutritional superstar, rich in vitamins and minerals, but overcooking it can diminish its health properties. Lastly, coffee can offer cognitive benefits and antioxidants, but too much can lead to anxiety and sleep disturbances. In this video, we will explore these common dietary pitfalls, helping you navigate your food choices wisely and enjoy the full spectrum of health benefits they offer. Join us for an engaging and informative exploration of how to consume these foods correctly. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. 5 mistakes you should never make when eating nuts. Nuts are often celebrated as a healthy snack, but many unknowingly make mistakes that can undermine their benefits. One of the most common errors is neglecting portion control. Nuts are calorie-dense, and while they are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, it's easy to overindulge. A small handful is typically the recommended serving size, so keeping track of portions is essential to avoid excessive calorie intake. Another mistake is opting for processed nuts instead of raw or unsalted varieties. Processed nuts often come with added sugars, unhealthy fats, and excessive salt, which can negate their health benefits. Choosing raw or lightly roasted nuts ensures you get the most nutrients without unnecessary additives. Proper storage is also crucial for maintaining nuts' freshness and nutritional value. Many people store nuts in the pantry, but this can lead to rancidity due to exposure to heat and light. Instead, keep your nuts in an airtight container in a cool, dark place or refrigerator to prolong their shelf life and preserve healthy fats. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can fully enjoy the health benefits of nuts while making them a nutritious part of your diet. Remember, moderation and mindful choices are vital to reaping the rewards of these delicious snacks. 16 serious mistakes you should never make when eating garlic. Garlic is renowned for its numerous health benefits, but many people make critical mistakes that can diminish its potency. One of the most significant errors is not consuming fresh garlic. Fresh garlic contains allicin, a compound responsible for many health benefits, but it is most potent when freshly crushed or chopped garlic. Using pre-minced or jarred garlic often means losing out on these vital health properties. Another common mistake is how garlic is cooked. High heat can destroy allicin and other beneficial compounds, rendering garlic less effective. Sautéing garlic at low to medium heat is ideal, but prolonged cooking or roasting can significantly reduce its health benefits. If you love the flavor of cooked garlic, consider adding it towards the end of your cooking process to preserve its nutritional value. Additionally, consuming garlic raw or minimally processed can maximize its health benefits. Raw garlic is packed with antioxidants and has been linked to improved heart health, immune function, and even cancer prevention. If the pungent taste is a concern, try incorporating raw garlic into dressings or dips or mix it with other ingredients to balance the flavor. By avoiding these serious mistakes, you can fully harness garlic's incredible health benefits and make it a powerful ally in your diet. Remember, how you prepare and consume garlic can make all the difference. 7 mistakes you should never make when eating a banana. Bananas are a popular and convenient snack, but many people need more clarification and errors that can affect their health benefits. One critical mistake is to consider the timing of banana consumption. Eating a banana before or after a workout can provide a quick energy boost due to its natural sugars and carbohydrates. However, consuming it at the wrong time, such as right before bed, may lead to unwanted spikes in blood sugar levels. Another standard error is eating bananas in isolation. While bananas are nutritious, pairing them with other foods can enhance digestion and nutrient absorption. For example, combining bananas with a source of protein, like yogurt or nut butter, can help stabilize blood sugar levels and provide sustained energy. This combination also promotes better digestion, as the fiber in bananas works synergistically with protein. Additionally, many people overlook the nutritional differences between ripe and unripe bananas. Ripe bananas are sweeter and more easily digestible, making them a great source of quick energy. In contrast, unripe bananas contain more resistant starch, which can benefit gut health but may be harder to digest for some individuals. Understanding these differences can help you choose the right banana for your needs. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize bananas' health benefits and enjoy them as a delicious and nutritious part of your diet. Remember, timing, pairing, and ripeness matter regarding this versatile fruit. 10 olive oil mistakes you make all the time. Secrets to maximum benefits. Olive oil is often hailed as a cornerstone of healthy eating, but many people unknowingly make mistakes that can undermine its health benefits. One of the most critical errors is not choosing high-quality extra virgin olive oil. This olive oil is made from the first pressing of olives and retains the most nutrients and antioxidants. Lower quality oils may be mixed with cheaper or processed in ways that diminish their health properties, so always opt for extra virgin to maximize benefits. Another common mistake is using olive oil at high cooking temperatures. While it has a higher smoke point than some oils, overheating olive oil can lead to the breakdown of its beneficial compounds, including healthy fats and antioxidants. For sautéing or frying, it's best to use medium heat. To preserve its health benefits, consider using olive oil in dressings or drizzling it over cooked dishes instead. Proper storage is also essential for maintaining the quality of olive oil. Many people store their olive oil in clear bottles on the countertop, exposing it to light and heat, which can lead to oxidation and rancidity. Instead, keep your olive oil in a dark, cool place, preferably in a dark glass bottle or a tin to protect it from light. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can fully enjoy the incredible health benefits of olive oil and incorporate it effectively into your diet. Remember, quality, temperature, and storage matter. The 10 broccoli utilization mistakes you make all the time. The secrets to maximizing the benefits. Broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse, but many people make mistakes that can reduce its health benefits. One of the most significant errors is using cooking methods that destroy its nutrients. Boiling broccoli, for instance, can lead to a substantial loss of vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin C and folate. Instead, opt for cooking methods that preserve nutrients, such as steaming or microwaving, which can help retain more of its beneficial compounds. Another common mistake is considering the benefits of consuming raw or lightly steamed broccoli. Raw broccoli is rich in enzymes and nutrients that can be diminished through excessive cooking. Adding raw broccoli to salads or smoothies can provide a crunchy texture and a fresh flavor while maximizing health benefits. If you prefer it cooked, lightly steaming it for a few minutes can soften the texture while preserving its nutritional value. Additionally, pairing broccoli with complementary foods can enhance nutrient absorption. For example, combining broccoli with healthy fats, like olive oil or avocado, can help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin K. Adding a source of vitamin C, like lemon juice, can also boost iron absorption from broccoli, making it even more beneficial. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can fully harness broccoli's incredible health benefits and make it a staple in your diet. Cooking methods, consumption styles, and food pairings are crucial in maximizing nutritional value. 10 fatal coffee mistakes that can destroy your health and land you in the hospital. Coffee is a beloved beverage for many, but serious mistakes in its consumption can harm your health. One of the most critical errors is excessive caffeine intake. While moderate coffee consumption can offer health benefits, overindulging can lead to anxiety, insomnia, heart palpitations, and even digestive issues. For some individuals, high caffeine levels can exacerbate existing health conditions, making monitoring your intake and listening to your body essential. Another area for improvement is paying attention to the quality of coffee beans. Not all coffee is created equal. Lower quality beans may contain harmful chemicals and additives that can diminish the health benefits of your brew. Choosing high quality, organic coffee beans ensures you get a product free from pesticides and other harmful substances. Quality beans often have more decadent flavors and higher antioxidant levels, contributing to better overall health. Additives like sugar and cream can also significantly impact your health. Many people load their coffee with sugar, which can lead to weight gain, increased blood sugar levels, and a higher risk of chronic diseases. Cream and flavored syrups can add unnecessary calories and unhealthy fats. Instead, consider using natural sweeteners or enjoying your coffee black to reap its benefits without the added drawbacks. By avoiding these fatal coffee mistakes, you can enjoy your daily cup while safeguarding your health. Remember, moderation, quality, and mindful choices are vital in making coffee a healthy part of your routine. This video explores several common mistakes that can undermine your health and nutrition when consuming various foods. From the importance of portion control with nuts to the benefits of fresh garlic and the right timing for bananas, each point highlights how small changes can lead to significant improvements in your diet. We also discussed the critical role of quality in olive oil, the best cooking methods for broccoli, and the potential pitfalls of excessive caffeine and unhealthy additives in coffee. By being mindful of these mistakes, you can enhance your meal's nutritional value and make healthier daily choices. We encourage you to implement these tips into your daily diet, whether choosing high-quality ingredients, adjusting your cooking methods, or being aware of portion sizes. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more health-related content. Consider sharing this video with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content and reach a wider audience. Together, we can promote better health and nutrition for everyone. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.